Given the graph of the function f of x, sketch the first derivative below. So we can see there's a turning point here at 2, negative 2, and therefore this function must have a 0 at that point. There's a minimum turning point at 2, and the gradient function therefore will be 0, and also there seems to be a point of inflection here at 4. Note this doesn't look very to scale, doesn't really matter. So we know we've got a 0 here, a 0 here, and a 0 here. Now the gradient is positive up until this first turning point, so f dash x is positive, so it will be above the axis. Then the gradient's negative between these two turning points, so f dash x is negative, it must be below the axis here. Then the gradient becomes positive, 0 positive. So above the axis but coming back down to 0 for the point of inflection, but then it's going to be positive again afterwards. So what it ends up with is a minimum here when there's a point of inflection on the original curve. So this is what our f dash x should look like.